Ava. That's the letter through.
Okay, what's Ava gonna do now?
Ava, come here. Do your game. Do your game. Do your game. Go ahead. No. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta do my password. She doesn't know how to do that. Okay, here. Ready? Go ahead. Do your game. Get in there. Do your game. Get out of that and go in your game, please. Thank you. Good girl. Ava, do your letters game. Can you do the letter game? Ava, do letters. Do the letters. Ava, do letters. 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 Letters.
Cup.
Letters. Do your letters. No. Go out of that. Go back into your games. Here, press the home button.
Cuppy.
I wanted you to do your letter game. Letters. No, not that one. Go into your Ava apps. Go to your Ava apps. Not that one. No. Your Ava apps. Get out of that. Ava apps. Good girl. Good girl. Giraffe. Zebra.
Ice cream man time.
Oh, really?
She's listening to this.
Oh. Monkey.
Now, this time Ricky gave you a good time. Not Ricky won't have any this after dinner. So
Do your
like
letters.
4 o'clock or something.
Do your letters, Ava.
Which one do you want?
What are you gonna do?
Go to yours. Good girl. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Meow. Ew.
Oh, I should have her do animals on my phone. Ava, do you want to do your animals?
Animals? Where's the animals? Where's the cow?
Animals.
Oh, now she's into
Nope.
everything.
Nope, go back in your games. Back in your games. Do your Ava apps.
Here, go to your animals with Mom's phone.
Do the moo. Ava, do the moo. Do the moo. Ava, the moo. Where's the moo? Do the moo. Ava, do the moo.
Here, X out of that.
Do the moo. The moo. The moo.
Go. Go.
The moo. The moo. The moo. The moo cow. Ava, do the moo cow. No, don't Facebook. Get out of that.
Buckabee.
Mm-hmm. Go into your Ava app.
Go to yours.
Ava games. Nope, nope, nope. Ava games.
He's trying to swipe.
Ava game. Here, press your home button. Home button. Good girl.
Push
Home
it.
button. Good girl. Do the moo cow. Show us the moo cow, Ava.
No.
Ooh.
Come on, we want to see the cow.
Here.
Get the cow
You
out.
want to read a book instead?
Show us the moo cow. Come back
Who are
here.
you calling?
Ava, come back here.
Watching you, kid.
Show us the cow. We want to see the cow. Please.